Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change the picture settings for your inputs on your Amazon Fire TV. So if we're just on the home screen, let's scroll on over to where it says inputs right here, go on down, and then you can press the button with the three lines on it, and you can manage your inputs. So I have antenna right here, I can press the button with the three lines on it, and then I can go to picture settings. And now I can adjust this. So I'm not going to go to that one because it's like live TV, but I'm going to go to HDMI number 1 and go to picture settings. And this will switch over to the input. Then I have the full control right here. So this one is in game mode at the moment. I can switch it to some other source right here. If I want to go to a different picture mode, like maybe PC, natural, sport, etc. Then I can go through all the different settings right here. Smart HDR typically have off. And I have a lot of stuff off just because it hurts my eyes, all the changes in the lighting, etc. So I turned off most of these settings. And then I go to color settings, and I like the white balance to a warm temperature. So you're going to have to do this to each of these settings, and you're going to have to align them for whatever input you're using. So like I have my PlayStation on HDMI number 4. So I have specifically game mode on for that one. And you can go through this list right here, and you can see my screen is getting brighter, so I know the backlighting is different on each input. So you have to do this for each of these inputs if you want to go ahead and have the similar backlighting, etc. You can see it's at 100 now, and all my settings are different for each input, so that gets a little bit annoying. There is no option just to apply this to every input, so you have to go through each one just manually like this. And game mode typically turns off all those little enhancements in the background, so I usually just go to that one as a default, and it really helps my eyes. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.